Today, October 20th, 2015, marks Christine Nusslein Volhar's 73rd birthday. Christine Nusslein Volhard is known for working with Eric Weishaus in fruit fly development. Christine was born on October 20th, 1942. She had a large family. She lived a happy childhood, always around nature. She was highly interested in plants and animals. She always worked with science, mainly biology and physics. She did her postdoctoral project on mutations affecting the informational content of the egg cell. She loved working with flies and got a joint offer with Eric Weishaus to work in the study of flies together. Eric was born on June 8, 1947. He had his undergraduate in biology, and most of his research was on embryogenesis. Fruit fly of Drosophila melanogaster. In 1995, he got a Nobel Peace Prize in physiology and medicine. The fruit fly undergoes 3 stages before becoming an adult: egg, larva, and pupa. At room temperature, fruit flies can become adults in 1 to 2 weeks. The egg and larval stages are about 8 days long, and the pupal stage lasts 6. A fruit fly can live for several weeks. A fruit fly's life starts out when adult Drosophilas mate and the eggs from the female are fertilized. The eggs are then placed near a food source. At this time, the eggs are about the size of a period at the end of a sentence. Males tend to be smaller. First develops into an embryo, which is larger in size but very much more complicated. Inside the fruit fly, the cells are changing into tissues and organs. Fruit flies are very similar to humans because they have a full set of internal organs, including intestines, sex organs, and a heart. It takes only a day for the embryo to develop into larvae and begin to crawl around. They tend to eat a lot during this stage. They then develop into a hard shell, which is called pupation. During this stage, it turns from a worm-like larva into a full-grown fly. 1 to 2 days later, the fly is full-grown and can take off. Fruit flies highly contributed to the world because they are model organisms because they have much simpler systems which are easy to study and manipulate. Their body makeup is very similar to a human's, containing many of the same body parts like I mentioned before. Fruit flies' genes and human genes are very similar. Fruit flies share 75% of the genes that cause disease with humans, so scientists can learn about human genetics by studying fruit fly genetics. This is Olivia Remmerden, signing off.